everyone, this is Eiffel Tower. I am in Paris and this is my hotel. The name of the hotel is Pullman Paris. I'll give you all the tour of the hotel. So here you can have a good look of the Eiffel Tower and here you go. So here you go. So this is their check-in where they come and check in. This is the information desk, and this side they have a big nice restaurant. I'll take you through the lobby. So this is the lobby, and down they have this nice restaurant and bar. Here it is the small bar. So yeah, let's go to my room. So quite a nice vibe of this place. So downstairs they have the washrooms, and here they have the elevator to go up. So my room is on 8th floor. So when you enter, you have to show your key, then only you can press the room. Yeah, there you go. That's me. Hi, bonjour. Bonjour from Paris. Okay, so we're going up to my room. Yeah. So my room number is 813 was my room number. Yes. So they don't have room number written in the key. Okay. So you have to keep this in your mind. So room number 81. This is 812. Mine is 813. So this is my room. Voila. This is the room, and here they have big mirror, and they have the coffee station here, and a nice bed with good painting, TV, and a sofa. And wait for the end. So this is the view from my room. Voila. Yeah, I booked myself Eiffel Tower room. This hotel has normal rooms also in cheaper rates. So this is their highest tariff per night room. So this is how the room look if you guys want to book it for yourself. And yeah, so let's go and see the washroom. Where is the light? Okay, let me figure out the light thing first. Okay, so this is the coffee station. And is it automatic, the light? So here is the mirror, and there is the bath, shower, and they don't have bathtub in this rooms for some reason. And this is the toilet. I cannot find lights somehow. So I think you guys can see how it is without the light as well. So bathroom is quite spacious, but no bathtub in it. Just keep that in your mind. Yeah. So you have to fix the key properly, then the lights are on. So this is how the bathroom is. And yeah. So all right, this was the quick tour of my room in the Hotel Pullman Paris. If you guys want to book this room with Eiffel Tower, I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye from Paris. And I'll show you guys how the room view looks at night. So this is the night time, and here is she, the gorgeous Eiffel Tower. It's very chilly, windy outside. This area is so happening. You can see people around, lots of people are playing there, locals, and there are lots of cafes in the street. And yeah, there was a little review for the hotel room, and the bed is very comfortable, and they have given good charging points also. So charging is not also an issue in this hotel. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.